This video shows you how to clean and lubricate the carriage rod in the HP Latex 110 printer. The process consists of two main steps. First, cleaning the carriage rod with alcohol and a clean lint-free cloth. Then you will lubricate the carriage rod with a bottle of oil from the maintenance kit that is supplied with your printer. Please prepare the following tools and materials before starting the cleaning process. 95% ethanol, not provided with the printer. Do not use commercial cleaners or abrasive cleaners. Lint-free cloth, some are provided with the printer. Oil, provided with the printer. Gloves, not provided with the printer. HP recommends performing carriage rod maintenance whenever the printer prompts you. The message will be displayed on the front panel. To launch the guided process, press the settings icon on the printer's front panel main menu. Then press the Preventative Maintenance Tasks button. Then press the Carriage Rod Lubrication button and follow the instructions on the front panel. Open the printer window when requested by the front panel instructions. Now you are ready to clean the carriage rod. Ensure it is clean before oiling. Dampen the clean lint-free cloth with the appropriate type of 95% ethanol. While cleaning the carriage rod, be careful not to damage the plastic strip located above. Insert the wipe between the plastic strip and the rail. Grab the cloth as shown in the image. It is important to clean the complete surface of the rail, including the rear. Do not grip the encoder strip in any way. While gripping only the carriage rod under the cloth, clean the rail on the left side of the carriage. Take care to clean the entire rail, including the part under the left cover. Press OK when you have finished and close the printer window when requested by the front panel. The printhead's carriage will be moved to the central position. Open the printer window when requested by the front panel instructions. Clean the part of the rail that was previously covered by the carriage. Take care to clean the entire rail, including the part under the right cover. After cleaning the carriage rod, it is time to lubricate it. Take the bottle of oil supplied with your printer. It's important to use the right type of oil. Replacement bottles of oil can be ordered if necessary. For best results, deposit a very thin, zigzag trickle of oil along the rail on both sides of the carriage. Do not apply a straight, thin trickle of oil. While lubricating, be careful not to get any oil on the plastic strip above the carriage rod. Press OK when you have finished and close the printer window when requested by the front panel. The carriage moves from one side of the printer to the other side to distribute the oil along the rail. Press OK to confirm that lubrication has been completed. The printer will check if the lubrication process has been effective and will present the results on screen. Press OK to finish. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel.